Python, how to execute shell commands with pipe, but without shell equals true. I have a case to want to execute the following shell command in Python and get the output. I could use this Python code to execute the above shell command in Python. However, as I do not want to use the shell equals true option, I tried the following Python code. I wonder why the output is none, as I have referred to the descriptions in the web page, this URL. Had I missed some points in my code? Any suggestion, idea? Thanks in advance.
From the manual. To get anything other than none in the result tuple, you need to give stat equals pipe and or stare equals pipe.
Please look here. Here you get 1 as output after you write p2 equals subprocess.pop and grep, c, test, stim equals p1.stout. Do not ignore this output in the context of your question. If this is what you want, then pass stout equals subprocess.pipe as argument to the second token.
While the accepted answer is correct/working, another option would be to use the open.communicate method to pass something to a process stim. This resolves the need to execute another command just to redirect its output, if the output is already known in the Python script itself. However, communicate has the side effect that it waits for the process to terminate. If asynchronous execution is needed/desired, using two processes might be the better option.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.